Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a DIY. I'm going to take this little cloche that I bought at Hobby Lobby when the decor was 50% off, and it was $24.99, and it was 50% off, and I loved it, but I want to paint it, okay? So we're going to paint that. So if you want to make this project, you'll need a cloche or something like that. It's going to be like a Tuscan French country farmhouse kind of DIY, and I picked up this DecoArt Chalk Acrylic paint, and it's in this really pretty green. It doesn't have a name, it just has a number, and I got it at Hobby Lobby for $8.99. And then I think because I want it to sort of look sort of satiny, I picked up this DecoArt Light Satin Varnish from Hobby Lobby. It was $9.99, but I used a 40% off coupon on one of them. And then I'm going back with my Waverly Chalk Paint in Cashew, maybe, or the Toasted Marshmallow by Apple Barrel, okay? And then you're just going to need some paint brushes, either foam or just like this, and I picked this up at Walmart. And then I saw these, and I love these little cupcakes. I ordered these off of Amazon. They're really not cupcakes, they're muffins. And I ordered these off of Amazon. You get 6, and I think they're like $24, $25, something like that. But they're really pretty, and they look totally real. I started to try to make some artificial ones, but then I realized with my allergies, I would never survive, so I just thought I'd order them, okay? So you can either make some if you want, or you can just purchase them, okay? So let me flip this down and we'll get started. But I think this is going to be so pretty, okay? And I did a little test on the back here to see if I would need to prime this, and I don't think that I do, okay? So we'll just get started. When you go into Hobby Lobby, I'm sure you've seen it. I saw some dishes in there that were this green color, but they have some cream in with it. And I was like, oh, I love that. And I thought this would look so pretty, this color. So I'm just going and putting a coat of this chalk paint on it, just like I do all the time. Just trying to make like straight strokes. So for time purposes, I'll go ahead and paint this all over, and then we're going to come back and try to kind of lighten it just a little bit. So when I get done, I'll be right back. Okay, here it is. I have one coat on it so far, the top and the sides. I'm going to do the bottom now, but now just make sure when you do it that you really get like each individual groove really well. But I don't know that I'm going to add that cream to it. I kind of just like it like this. So to keep this video from being too short, normally I say too long, I'm going to go ahead and just go ahead and paint this like this. I just took it into a hair dryer and set it on low warm and bumped it up to high warm. But this is so simple to do. It doesn't take any time, but yet it gives you such a nice look. And you could paint this any color that you wanted. I just really saw some green, like I said, dishes in Hobby Lobby, and I was like, that is so pretty. And I thought this would look so pretty like that. And you could do a lot of different things with it, besides just putting muffins in there. It's so versatile, you really could use it for anything. Okay, and I'm going to get this where it's starting to run down the sides a little bit, because you don't want it pulling or anything like that. And get it down here really well. As you can see, this is such a quick little DIY. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is let it dry just a little bit on its own so that I can pick it up, and then I'm gonna take it in there and use the hair dryer to it, and then I'll come back and we will fix this. It's gonna be so cute. I'll be right back. Okay, here it is with just one coat all over. You could put two, but I like it to look just a little bit old. I think it looks really pretty like this. Now what I want to do is take this light satin varnish and just put it on. And you need to use a brush for this. So I'm just going to get a little bit here. And we are going to, I think I'll start here in case I don't like the effect. And we're just going to put it on here because I want it just to have a slight sheen to it. I don't want it to be totally flat. I'm really gonna like this. I'm so glad that I got this. I don't know if you can see, but it's just giving it that light sheen that is so pretty. Because I didn't want it to be real flat, and this chalk paint is. And I don't notice an odor, and with my allergies, if I noticed one, believe me, I'd say something. Okay, and we're just going to go around through here. But I'm loving this effect. You could do so many things besides muffins. You could even turn this over like this and put something in here like a candle or some flowers or a rabbit. I mean, this is so versatile. You can do so much with this. You don't have to use it just as a normal cloche. I mean, it has so many possibilities. And you don't want it to get it to pull, because I was kind of getting it like that, and I don't want that. Okay, and then we'll just come over here. It really doesn't take a lot of this, so I think you could get a container of this varnish and use it for a long time. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go in there and dry this on like a low cool, and then maybe bump it up to medium, and then I'll be back and we'll do the inside. Okay, you can see the difference between this that has the satin varnish and then the inside that doesn't. I think it looks much richer and prettier, okay? So now all we're going to do is just do the same thing on the inside. Just bring this varnish down, and I'm trying to go like in straight areas down through here. Just go straight. And you can see where you've been because it's very shiny where you've been, but don't let it pull up on you. It really gives such a nice effect. And then we'll just go in here and get the inside. But I mean, you could put bunnies in this. You could put flower arrangements. I have seen at Hobby Lobby, matter of fact, Mom bought some lettuce. It is gorgeous. They have such pretty things like that. And I started to, but I had so many other things that I'd picked up that I was like, well, I'll come back and get it later. So I hope there'll be some when I go back, because it is so pretty. But I mean, you could do, the possibilities are endless with this. You could do so much. Okay, and I believe we have gone all the way around. And like I said, you really don't need much. It just gives you such a nice effect. Okay, I'm gonna go dry this and then I'll be right back. Okay, here it is, and it just has that light sheen to it. I love it. I think it's so pretty. I think it's truly elevated how it looks. I think it looks much more French country, Tuscan, and it still fits in nicely with Farmhouse, but I think to me it looks a little more expensive, okay? So now what I'm going to do is take my muffins. These are so adorable. And I'm just gonna put these in here. My husband will try to eat them. He's been out of town. He's coming back today. So, let's see. I might be able to get 4 in that. Oh, it's gonna be too cute, too cute. Okay, here we go. Which one do I wanna put? I can only put one more. I think I like this one better, but I'm going to kind of separate them. Okay, and now here this is adorable to set on a drink station. It looks so pretty. Let me move this up so you can see. Now what you can do is just leave it like this, which it is gorgeous. I think it's very pretty. Or you could get a candle holder. I hauled this from Hobby Lobby. It was $14.99, 50% off. And you could just put this on there like that. And I think that is so pretty. I mean, just look at that. It is gorgeous. But like I said, you could put anything in it that you wanted to. I mean, you don't have to put these muffins, and you don't have to set it on top of a candle holder. You can just leave it like this. So it's a very easy, fun project to just kind of give your house that added little punch. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.